Well, after nearly 14 years and 2 previous murder convictions, a mistrial was just declared in the 3rd trial of a New York millionaire accused of killing his wife. Prosecutors say Cal Harris murdered his wife, Michelle, on the night of September 11, 2001. The problem? No murder weapon or body has ever been found. Now, prosecutors must decide if they're going to try him for a 4th time. But should they? Here for a fair and balanced debate around this fascinating case, our defense attorney, David Schwartz, and former prosecutor, John Lara. Nice to see both of you this morning.
Good to see you. Good to
see you. You're on the prosecution side on this. Did they screw up?
Well, here's the thing. It's an entirely circumstantial case, and those are the toughest cases to prosecute. But there is evidence in this case. There's blood in the house, there's a missing woman, and there's a death threat by Mr. Harris made to a witness who said, I heard him say, I'm going to kill you. Right to his wife.
Was that enough? Apparently not. The defense did a great job, or did the prosecution screw this up?
It's speculation, it's hypothesis, and it's guesswork. It's typical, it's a circumstantial case, but it's a weak circumstantial case. So you can't prosecute a case based on speculation. The defense did a great job poking holes in this case. And you know what? We have a constitution here. You got to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
Can they do it without a body?
Here's the thing. There's blood in the house. There's blood with her DNA in the kitchen and also in the garage. That's more than circumstantial evidence.
You think he did it?
Well, here's what I think. I think the prosecution should dismiss without prejudice and reinvestigate this case, because if they go to trial again, it's another hung jury.
Let me address that. Blood spatter in a house is not, when you live in the house where the blood spatter is, it's not significant at all. These are little particles of blood where you live in your own house. It exists in every house. So if it was in someone else's house, then it would be significant.
But what are they going to do for a 4th time? And how can this be? The first 2 convictions overturn. A third trial is a mistrial. Can they do a 4th?
I think they make a mistake if they go to trial right away. I think they're going to get the same result. It's like doing the same thing over and over again. One thing I would mention, right after she goes missing, he has a garage sale for all of her goods, and that's it. She's gone. So what does that tell you?
Well, there's no playbook to how someone acts after someone disappears, that's for sure.
Can they do a 4th time?
They can absolutely do a 4th time, and I think they're going to lose. I don't think there's enough evidence here. It's a horrible set of circumstances.
Well, I would agree with David to this extent. I think it's a mistake from a prosecutorial standpoint to go a 4th time without more evidence. A prosecutor's job is to do justice, not to just bring cases.
They had an expert, though, that you disagree with.
I didn't like the expert. If they use that same expert again, not a good result. The expert could not explain, as David said, blood in the house, could not explain it consistent with a murder taking place in that house, and that's why the jury hung.
Because you can't. You can't explain it. No matter how many experts you have on this case, you're just not going to win. There's not enough evidence.
I mean, it's fascinating to me, but I don't know what you're doing in your house where there's that much blood.
Well, no, we're talking about little particles. It exists in every house, little specks.
All right, David.
I don't know about your house, not in mine.
It exists in every house. There's blood in every house.
Coming up here on the show, thanks, gentlemen. Great discussion. Yeah, he defended the Clintons on television without telling you, and he gave them tons of money while doing it.